In this video, let me show you some of the best practices for using Facebook in order to promote your blog content. So, number one, you obviously want to use the best times to post on Facebook. And this is the study done by QuickSprout. And if you look at this, Thursdays and Fridays are the best days to post on Facebook. Also, as far as the best time of the day, 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. can get you more shares and clicks. On Facebook, I like to test multiple formats. So if you look at the post on the left-hand side, it's actually a link post to one of my blogs. And then the post on the right-hand side is actually an image post to the same blog post. So you can test multiple formats and see which one produces the highest engagement for you. And like Twitter, you also want to make sure you use relevant hashtags that you can find by using hashtagify.me in your Facebook post. Now, a couple of things. Don't use hashtags that don't make any sense. So for example, hashtag awesome, hashtag life. If it's not relevant and if it doesn't make any sense for your content, don't use it. And also don't stuff your post with multiple hashtags. Usually 1 or 2 are more than enough. Wherever possible, make sure you're using images in your Facebook posts. So here is the study done by Kissmetrics, and according to them, if you're using images in your Facebook posts, you can get 53% more likes, 104% more comments, and 84% more click-throughs as compared to the posts that do not have any images in them. So you absolutely want to make sure you're using images in your posts when you're using Facebook. Now, this is one of my bonus or one of my secret tips that I use. Make sure you post your blog content and link in relevant Facebook groups. And I try to pick at least 5 for all of my industry niches or clients. So look at this example. If you are a marketing or a social media blogger, so groups like these, they have massive members. So groups like these create a big opportunity for you. You can post your relevant blog content in these groups and drive a lot of traffic back to your blog. And also, if you are into home decoration, here are some other groups with a lot of following and members that you can use to promote your blog content. When it comes to Facebook groups, here is the posting strategy that I use. Number one, you obviously want to find and join the relevant groups for your industry or your niche. Number two, make sure you read the rules of the group, what they allow and what they don't allow in those groups. And then for at least 2 weeks, comment and engage without posting anything in that group. This will help you build reputation in that group. And then you can start posting your own blog content. And let me show you quickly how you can use Facebook to find relevant groups. So let's go to facebook.com. And you can use the graph search on the top. And let's say we want to find some groups relevant to marketing. So type that word in there and then click on Find All Posts for Marketing. And then the drop down here, More, select Groups. And here are a number of groups that are relevant to marketing or marketing bloggers. You can go through these groups and join at least 5 of them and make sure you build reputation and engagement in them before posting your content. And just like Twitter, you should also use scheduling options when it comes to Facebook. So Facebook has a really cool native scheduler. This is a compose box for Facebook pages, and look at this on the right hand side. On this, if you click on this down arrow, you have an option to schedule. So you can schedule your Facebook post in advance. And also the Hootsuite and other tools like Buffer and Sprout Social have very cool and simple scheduling options that you can use to schedule your content for Facebook.